Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my catch-all planner for the week with Valentine's Day. So it is for February 14th through the 20th, so that Monday is Valentine's Day. I'm going to be doing a full-on Valentine's spread. This particular planner is my catch-all, and it is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. I printed my own stickers and I pulled out some scrapbook paper that I really liked, and I'm going to be working with that. So I did some ripping of the paper. I really like the look of a ripped paper, so that's what I wanted to do, and I'm going to be decorating from there. So I ripped a little bit more to expose some of Thursday, and there we go. So that's going to be the first thing that I do, is put down all of these beautiful scrapbook pages, scrapbook paper. I really like all of the hearts, and especially the floral ones are speaking to me, so I wanted to incorporate them into here. And it's a lot of pink, so very girly. I'm going to do the same thing in the sidebar. I don't think I'm going to be using sidebar next week, so I am going to be doing this really quickly, putting it in. And as I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you have been following my channel for a while, welcome back. Thank you for choosing to spend some time with me. I truly appreciate that. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the pages together with some washi tape, which is very easily removable. As you can see, I already planned some things on this week's, which I am actually filming this way early. So I'm going to go ahead and place some of the washi tape and make sure it's being held together, because I'm going to be placing this beautiful couple in love, like so, right over that paper. But I really want to center them, so hold on. Center them on Thursday, not on the page. I don't want the couple to be cut apart. It wouldn't be Valentine's Day. It would be like, I don't know, a divorce day. So I'm going to go ahead and add another huge sticker with a beautiful umbrella. Look at that. So we have an umbrella filled with flowers, which is lovely, and they go right beautifully with this scrapbook paper. So I'm going to be pulling some other things and adding it into this spread, like this Chanel with all the roses. It's so lovely. I really love looking at this. And then of course a little Eiffel Tower in the background, because it is Paris after all. I really love these stickers. So I purchased these from Etsy and play with them for a little bit to make them the right size for me and the cutting of them. So that was quite a lot of fun. And now I'm going to go into the rainbow mega sticker book and pull out some of the bullet points for the spread. I think that's gonna add a beautiful effect of being able to fill this planner in. So some boxes and so on, and everything will be red. I already have lots of pink, so I want to incorporate some red into this. I don't think I'm going to be adding any more strips of washi. I was thinking about it, but I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna go with boxes and bullet points and keep the focal point on these stickers I created. So I'm gonna add some round boxes like so, and then a few boxes like this, so I can fill in few things. So let's go ahead and do that together. I really enjoy filling up my planner with big boxes and being able to put everything I need to do and focus on that. So there we go, like so. It's kind of cool. She looks like she's holding this box with her heel. Okay, and now I'm grabbing as many bullet points as possible, and I think I'm going to use the hexagon shape. These will look truly lovely with the stickers I have picked up so far. And as you can see, I'm probably putting all of this on my hand, like so. I'm gonna add some areas in there and kind of make it fun. So I am covered in dots. Let's go ahead and get this going. I need one more box right there to kind of make it look not so step-like. Okay, let's get going. So I'm gonna put one hexagon right there, and then I don't think I can place it right there. So I'm gonna keep going with Tuesday and go from there. And I want them all kind of face the same way, so I'm placing them accordingly to how I want them placed. It's so neat when everything in your planner looks kind of similar, like when you're placing oddly shaped bullet points. Make sure they're facing the same way. It gives it kind of a polished look. Like so. Okay, few more points and I will be closer to finish than ever. I'm just playing with all these bullet points and making sure everything fits accordingly. I need more of them, so I'm going back to the book to pull some more. If you guys don't have this book, it's such a great asset. Especially if you want to create a rainbow spread or you're looking for a specific color, it is so easy because all of these pages are gathered in a color coordinated version. So you have some boxes that are all with one color, or two colors I should say, and then checklists, quotes, everything is bunched up together, which is awesome. So I'm leaving two spots, as you can see, on Saturday and on Wednesday, and I'll tell you what it's for right now. I need either a quote, a box, or a decorative sticker that's going to fill up that space and make it look a little bit more cohesive. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm looking for that area to add to my planner, and I'm looking at different boxes to kind of figure out what else I can add. I pulled out so many books. By the way, the tiny sticker books, if you guys have that has a ton and ton of hearts. So if you're looking for a Valentine's Day spread, holiday spread, that's a great book to have because it has so many stickers. Okay, going back to my stickers, trying to see if I printed anything that I could put in there that would make sense, but I don't think so. So back to my original idea, I think. So basically that means back to the Mega Rainbow sticker book, and I will pull a few of those boxes, red boxes, in and added them to decorate the spread, and I think that might be good. So let's see what that looks like. They are not necessarily a Valentine's theme, so the bravest thing you can be is yourself and then celebrate every tiny victory. But they are red, and who knows, I don't know what's going to be happening on those days, so they might actually work. I don't know. I'm going to remove the washi. I'm going to cut the page where the stickers is holding it, and I'm gonna punch my pages to make sure they can go back in my planner. In case you didn't know and you have a happy planner punch, the page sizes are marked by those white lines. So for the classic, you go in between the two white lines, and when you punch it, it's practically perfect. So there you go. I just did that and it's all done. I'm gonna put it back in my planner, and this spread is done. Thank you so much for spending the time with me, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.